Hey guys. Wait, I'm Tanya.
I'm Derek.
Whoops, you got a shadow on your face.
It's the phone. It's the camera.
Anyway, we are Van Life Voyages. There you go. There's his cute face.
Can you hear it?
Okay. Guess where we are this weekend?
Can you hear it in the background?
There's a hint in the background. So stick around and find out. See you in a bit.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
There's the cars, racetrack over there. So I wonder if you guys can guess. We're still in California. This is our view. Blue skies. And boom, boom, boom. Should be able to hear that. There it says where we are, if you haven't guessed by now. Weathertech Raceway, Laguna Seca, Monterey County. Racing for, what is it?
This is just open racing. Speed. It's from Speed SF. Just a bunch of everyday guys that do tracks. They even have a track near Bakersfield, the Button Below. And I think there's 4 tracks on their website. But these are just everyday guys and everyday cars. They come out and play race car. Play race car driver.
It's loud out here. There they go. Amateur race car drivers this weekend. Just out having fun. And one just spun out that vet. Ooh, that was a good one. Spin out around that corner.
Yellow flag.
Oh shoot.
Yellow flag.
Yellow flag. Caution. The vet just lost a little control.
That's what happens when Tanya's driving.
Oh my God, no. I drive better than these guys. He's like, does she really believe? Oh, that guy came flying too. Made it.
The Corvette lost it.
Yeah, the vet lost it. Where can you go that you get to camp, but you also get to enjoy the free races from your site, almost? Well, there's a lot of people over there that get to enjoy races from their sites. And above us, too, they get to watch races from all their campsites. There they go. Pretty darn cool. Look at that purple car. Got a fin on the back and everything. They're fancy. look at a convertible. No. Tape top or something. Maybe we can put your truck in this race. What do you think? The lowrider.
Guy's gonna lose it.
You could be known as the lowrider.
My truck would smoke everybody out here.
Look at that red car right below us. Look at that beauty.
That's vet.
Pretty red vet down there. But we're going to take the lowrider out here and we're going to give Derek the name, sponsor, and everything on the back of the lowrider. And let him race with all these people.
I'd do it. I'd do it in a heartbeat.
Do they allow no-legged people? No-legged people.
They have to.
Do they discriminate? Do they discriminate against people that use their arms to drive?
When you race with hand controls, I don't know.
Some racing hand controls. Whoa, they always go like around that corner. Boom!
Wait for another one. I want to see another one slide out.
We barely missed it with the camera too. I put the camera down and bam, he spun out and I had to lift it really quick. Just got the very end in the dirt.
Oh, you could hear a screeching tires.
Yeah, the screeching, and I had to pick up the camera. I'm waiting.
I bet they crapped their drawers.
I know. And that smart drive is letting him go up this hill with no problem. So see the link above that I'm putting in the above here for the smart drive video that we did about his smart drive that's on the back of his chair. The little wheel, the free wheel back there, pushing him up hills and everything.
Gunner, get over here.
So we have the moon shade up. And this is our little setup with the lift out. There's Derek. Yeah, and right now we're in a very wheelchair friendly spot. It's number 64 and there's no fire pit or table to bring your own, but it's very wheelchair accessible, and there's a ramp right there all the way up. Up the ramp to the bathroom. Very wheelchair friendly. It's a steep one. He's going up though with the smart drive. And literally that's where it is. And I'm gonna turn the camera to the van. Boom, van. Boom, bathroom.
There's the pooper.
That's the pooper. That's how close it is to our spot. And look at that view. There's my gunner. Beautiful. And then more vans back there. Here's Derek. He hits that.
Look at that Santa Maria barbecue grill over there.
No, there's a grill right here.
Oh, makes me happy.
Look at that view, and there's more RVs down below. But this is Laguna Seca Raceway Campground, and we're in the Chaparral area.
Come on, Gunner. Come here, buddy. Hey, if we go back around this side, do you want to go down a ramp or do you want to take the stairs?
How are you going to take the stairs?
Very carefully.
No, we'll take the ramp.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. You're chicken.
Yeah, all right. Hey, get over here. Come on. Come on, Gunner. Come on.
As I sit here eating marshmallows by myself, Derek's in the van with Gunner, and I'm out here by myself enjoying the fire and marshmallows. Yum! Roasted marshmallows. So yummy. And you can seriously camp in any vehicle here, even a tent, and age of the vehicle doesn't matter either.
race cars!
Bye, Race. Say bye.
Bye, race cars!
Look at this view. Driving out, people.
Slight right onto a road.
A road. We're going on
Onto
a
a road.
road. Going out the little place where you pay, come in. See, this is the other side. It's not Chaparral. It's over there. I don't know. But there's mailboxes and everything.
Continue on a road for 3/4 of a mile.
Thank you for visiting.
Grade.
It's kind of a big grade going down. It's a little bit scary up here.
You know why that reminds me of high school?
Oh wait, hold on. Let me show him this car over here.
Lexus.
Lexus welcomes you. Bug splatter on our windshield. It's very dirty. Sunday afternoon.
Take the next left onto B Road to Hama, then turn left onto California 68 East.
Is that a copper sitting in the shade?
Oh yeah, he's there watching all the speeders.
Okay, I'll stop there. Tick, 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 tick.
Anyway, here's the sign, Raceway and Camping Range this way. Hi, baby. Oh, sure she goes across the street. Same doe, huh?
Could be. There's another one up there.
Oh, look. She's going to meet her family. I know, I wish. Oh, there's more.
There's another couple.
They're all just hanging out here in this neighborhood.
Happy deers.
They're happy living up in the trees.
Well, they don't live in trees, honey.
Well, in the
They can't
bushes
climb.
right there.
Barbecue.
That is not barbecue. They're cute.
Hey, this is Derek. Thanks for watching till the end. For more crazy disability content and more cool locations, subscribe, hit the like, leave us a comment. And remember, when life throws you a curve, just roll with it. See you next time.